Before you change the oil and filter on your 911, you want to warm the engine up a little bit. It helps the engine oil flow and helps get the contaminants out. On all 911s, the oil filter is attached to the oil tank. Be sure to arm yourself with plenty of paper towels, as it is almost impossible to avoid spilling at least some oil when removing the filter. The oil tanks on all 911s are located in the rear of the car, inside the right rear fender, except for the 1972 cars, where they are located towards the front of the car. The oil filter neck is also shown in this photo. The dipstick for measuring the oil level is contained in the slot inside the filter. Use your oil filter wrench and remove the filter. When installing the new one, lubricate the rubber seal on the filter with a little clean engine oil. Install hand tight and then give it a half turn with the wrench. Don't over torque these. Make sure you have a catch container able to hold at least 8 quarts of oil below the sump tank. Remove the drain plug and allow all the oil to drain. Install a new crush washer on the drain plug, reinstall and torque to spec. Move to the engine and remove the drain plug in the sump plate. Approximately 3 to 4 quarts of oil may drain out of the sump plate in the motor. Although not necessary during each oil change, removal and cleaning of the sump screen on the 65 to 83 911s can help keep your engine oil cleaner. Remove the 8 nuts that hold the sump plate on and clean the screen carefully. If you notice pieces of metal or other debris in the screen, it may be the sign that it's time for you to rebuild your motor. If you're going to do this, make sure to order the 2 gaskets that go on the sump plate, and I like to order new hardware as well. Make sure that when you reinstall the screen, you don't place the drain plug under the oil pickup tube. It can interfere with the oil pickup and circulation. Put a new crush washer on the drain plug, reinstall, and torque to spec. Add the amount of oil appropriate for your 911, warm up the motor, check the level, and top up as necessary. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.